Good AM. Today is November 18, 2023 Saturday. And here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, November 18, 2023. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for November 18, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of November 18, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.